Hi year two, we're in a different setup today. You're really gonna have to excuse my voice because I'm still not feeling too great, but I hope you're all having a really good holiday and we're going to get into division today to see how we work problems out. Okay, let's get straight into it. I've got a word problem here and I'm going to read out. There are 18 children altogether. Ooh, that word altogether. I'm going to underline the key information here. There are 3 rows on the carpet. How many children will be in each row? Okay, I can see here that I've got some key information. I know there are 18 children altogether. That word altogether tells me that 18 is my whole. There are 18 children. They sit on 3 rows on the carpet. How many children are going to be in each row? This is a division problem. I know this because I've got a whole. I've been told the number of parts or the number of groups that I've got, and I am looking for the value of each group. Let's have a look at how to do this. So, I'm actually just going to note down the key information we've got. I might do that on a separate whiteboard here. I know in this equation, my whole is 18 because there are 18 children altogether. I know there are 3 rows of the carpet, so I know the number of parts or groups is 3. And I am looking for how many children will be in each row. That means I'm looking for the value of each group. Right now that's just going to be a question mark because I really just don't know. Okay, let's have a think. I'm actually going to explore this using some counters. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my 18 counters to represent the 18 children because I know my whole. Let's start by doing that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, I've got my 18 children, my 18 counters. I now know the number of groups. So I need to group up 18 children into 3 different groups. I need to share these 18 counters out equally. I'm going to move my counters to the side. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm actually going to draw out my 3 rows or my 3 groups. So I've got 1, 2, and 3. I've drawn out my 3 rows. Now I need to share out these 18 counters equally. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go one by one into each group. I need to do it that way, otherwise the groups may not be equal. So you can do this with me. I've got 1 in my first group, 1 in my second group, 1 in my third group. Back to mine, 2nd in my first group, 2 in my second group, and 2 in my third group. Now I've got 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay, I've shared out my 18 into 3 equal groups. Now I'm just going to count up how many counters are in each group to check if I've done that fairly. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've got 6 in my first group. Just going to write that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in my third group. That means I've shared 18 out equally because the value of each group is the same. There are 6 cubes in each, 6 counters in each group. So I can say that 18 shared into 3 equal groups gives us 6 in each group. Just to recap, let's move this here. My whole was 18. I knew my number of parts or groups, that was 3. And I was looking for the value of each group. Well, I found that out now, that's 6. I've actually got all the components now to put this into an equation. I can say 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. In division, we always start with the whole. Then we knew our number of groups. Alright, number of groups. And that gives us the value of each group. These two can swap around. However, the whole always stays at the front. We always begin with the whole in division. Great, so we can say 18 divided into 3 equal groups gives us 6. Let's have a go at doing another one. Okay, we're back with another word problem. Let's get straight into this one. There are 20 counters shared equally into 4 groups. How many counters are in each group? So we have 20 counters that are shared equally into 4 groups. How many counters are in each group? I'm actually going to go back and see what information I know. I know that there are 20 counters altogether. My whole is 20. They're shared into 4 groups, so I know that there are 4 groups. I am looking for the value of each group. I can actually put all this into an equation. I can write this out as, maybe I'll do it in a different colour so we can see. 20, because we always begin with the whole in division, divided by 4 equals something. We're looking for that something. We're looking for the value of each group. Okay. I'm actually just going to take the same steps that I did before. The first thing I'm going to do is count out 20 counters. I'm going to get my whole ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I've got my 20 counters. Now I'm going to get my 4 groups ready. Just make sure I don't mix them up. Okay, my 4 groups. 1, 2, 3. We're just about got enough space. 4. Okay. 20 counters. We're going to share them. Let me put my counters here so you can see me doing it one by one. Okay. Right, you know the drill now. We're sharing into each group. One by one, off we go. 1 in my first group, 1 in my second group, 1 in my third group, 1 in my fourth group. Now I've got 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay, just a quick check to make sure I've got the same number in each group, because if I don't, then I have not done it correctly. Let's have a look. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! We've got the same number in each group. That means we've done it right. So, 20 counters altogether, shared equally into 4 groups, gives us 5 in each group. Therefore, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And if you look carefully, when I arranged my counters, you can see I've actually formed my array. You can easily see I've got 20 counters altogether, 4 groups, and 5 in each group. That's made it really clear for me to represent the problem and work it out. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. I'm going to put a question up on the screen now that I'd love for you to have a go at and then post what you did or how you did it, maybe making a video to Seesaw. Okay team, this is your question now. There are 21 children altogether. There are 3 rows on the carpet. How many children will be in each row? Okay. There are 21 children altogether and 3 rows on the carpet. How many children will be in each row? I can't wait to see how you answer this question. I'd love to see what you do on Seesaw, whether it be a picture or a video. And yeah, if you don't have counters, you can really use anything. You can draw the circles out. That's a great way to do it. You might use different objects you've got. I would personally recommend drawing out your counters just to help you, just like we did in class. So, can't wait to see what you do. Have a lovely rest of your holiday, and I'll see you soon.